Hello once again. Hello everything. Okay, this is your boy Prince Uche. Today I would like us to learn something very important that is gonna produce or be a good thing to each and every one of us. Okay. What am I talking about? Some of you here may have the dream of being a full stack developer. Studying web, try to study web development. So I just want to share with you a little video of mine. Before then, after watching, please I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and as well to share my videos to your friends and families, both those that know me and those that I do not know. Just share my video because I know that every one of us need a good skill in life. The world today based on technology. Okay, so let's just get started. Okay, if you want to be a full stack developer, you need to be a full stack developer, which means front end and back end. Okay, so in this front end, you need to learn. Let's just talk about front end now. You need to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and etc. Okay, I will list the rest of it. So that you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, but now before you get started, you need to have a code. I mean, editing code. Okay, or text was, or in other terms, text editor. Okay, you can download any text editor of your choice. We have Notepad plus plus, Sublime Text, and others. Okay, but I love using Sublime Text because I'm getting used to it more than others. Okay, so I will also encourage your people to download Sublime Text, and then after downloading the Sublime Text, just you go to your new page, you type Sublime Text download, then you will see all these things here, and you can then click download and proceed. Now I open my page here. You can see some of the things that I built. The CSS style, CSS stand for cascading and style sheet, and the HTML stand for hyper, etc., etc. Okay, we'll talk about that later. And now, let's assume that you want to create your first page. If you want to do that, to create your first page, you will just go to your home screen, and then you click, you create a new folder, you give it a name of your choice, but I would recommend that you give it html.index. Okay, I have it a lot, html.index, so I will put here 3 so that I will know what I'm doing. Then you save it. It is saved. You go to your Sublime Text, and then create a new page. That is a new tab, and then type HTML. Sorry, before you type HTML, you need to set it. Okay, set it because you need to set it to specify what you are building. Okay, so for you to set it, just look at my screen. You go down here, plain text. Okay, after type size 4 and plain text, you click plain text and choose HTML. Okay, then after you choose the HTML, then you now type HTML. You see, to just bring up, enter. Title of your page, you can type my first page, my first page. Okay, there is a title of your first page. You can write the body. You go to body, you do this, that is shift and less than. Okay, shift and less than. Okay, then you type h1, that is first head, first head. Okay, we have up to 6 heads, so this is the first head. H1, my first page, my first, sorry, my first page. And then you can also wish to add your shift and the less than h2 if you want. You can name it. Okay, my name is Prince Uche. I can name Prince Uche. Okay, so you can type another, sorry, you can give a space, that is another line. Then you can type your paragraph. Okay, you can to type a paragraph of your website, you just shift less than and p. Okay, p is made for enter paragraph, sorry, p is for paragraph, p paragraph. Okay, then you can now give it, write anything about your about your site. Okay, this site is made for all persons. Okay, persons. Okay, and it is also good for each and every one of you, to respect the rules and regulations of the site. Stop. Okay, so this is your paragraph. Okay, you write in your paragraph, you write what you want your site to be. Okay, this is just, now let's see what it looks like after typing this and this. Let's now open it in your web, that is your Google or Firefox or anywhere you register it. Okay, now let me just go and register it. So let me register it so you people will understand what I'm talking about here. Okay, you go to your save, you save it, save as. Okay, save as. You go down to your desktop, you choose the file, that folder that you just created. Okay, this is the folder that I created here, html.index. I have a lot of them, but this was the one I created when I was showing you people this. You click on it, you open it, right? Then you type again html.index 3. Okay, then save. Okay, can you see it here? It appears here. Then after that, you just go back to your just go to your internet. Then just get out from here, go to your, okay, just go here. This is the web page that we just created right now, right? So open it. There's it here. Okay, so let me enlarge this so you can see what I'm doing. It title is due is how am I gonna call it, is now internet. Okay, you just click on it and you see all that you feel in there is out here. Okay, you see you have created your first page. This is how it looks like. Okay, when you're creating your page, is how it looks like. This is here my first page. Okay, that was the title you gave it, your first page. And in the body, that is head 1, my first page, name, head 2, Prince Uche, and the paragraph this side is made for all person and also good for each and every one of us, every one of you, to respect the rules and regulations of this site. Okay, so there is it. This is how you build your first web page. Okay, a lot. We I wish we have time to, you know, learn a lot with time. Okay, this just how you begin. Okay, 1,000 miles start with first step. Okay, so this is your first step of it. Okay, before you get to learn to the highest part of it. Okay, so this is your first step. After this, what next will you do? You can just go, if you want to, for instance, to add CSS. I'm not going to teach you the CSS now, but I just want you to see something. I just want to add CSS on it right now. Okay, CSS is known as cascading style sheet. Okay, so let me add it here. To add CSS, or maybe I just want to add this line, this first paragraph, the CSS here. What I will do here, I will click here, I give a space, and then I give a space, I will write style. Okay, style, that means the color of it. Style equals to color. Then write color. Then what kind of color do you want to put there? Maybe I can put red. Sorry, red. Okay, and here same as well. Style, color, blue. Okay, and here same style, just that is not all the body. I'm just giving this head 1, head 2, and paragraph colors to design it. Okay, so maybe here I can put color gold. Okay, sorry. Okay, now you save it. So if you want to save it, for you not to be going far, starting going to file and others, you just use the key shortcut. Okay, that is Control X to save it. Then let's see what it gives. You see, now it's white, but you have to reload your web page to see what it gives. Have you seen it? Immediately I reload the web page, it changes red. Okay, this how. Okay, now let me put the background. Okay, if you want to put the background, you just go here, you go there, the background, then go down to the body. Okay, you type body. Okay, have you seen it? But sorry, before you type body, you need to put the CSS code. That is shift and less than with style. Okay, style. So it gives you the CSS code. You see the test CSS and blah blah blah. You shift it, then you write body. Okay, you write body, and then shift and less than. Okay, you see this, then you write the background. You can put any color of your choice. The background I love, for instance, let me use blue. No, I have blue, green. Okay, let me use the background green. Okay, green. Okay, and semicolon. You have to end it with semicolon. If you do not end it with semicolon, it's not gonna show off. Okay, so you have to end it with semicolon. Okay, and then save it. Let's see what it gives. You see, no background yet, but let me reload. Have you seen it? Green. Okay, the background now changed to green. Okay, so that is how you can be able to create your own web page. With time, that is to begin with it. Okay, you start from here. Maybe with time you learn how to create a maybe our next lesson I will teach you how to create a registration form. Okay, a registration form. But before then, please, I would love you people to like and share my video, so that that's the only way you can support me. What I'm doing here, it costs some people a lot of money just to study it. Yeah, so I'm just doing it for free. I'm not asking any of you to pay me, but the only thing I'm just pleading for you people to subscribe to my channel, okay? And share, comment, whatever you want me to help you to, maybe to learn and or other things, just tell me about it, and then we'll study. I will help you out on that, okay? But as for now, I think we have to end here. This is how you create your own first web page. You have your own first web page, okay? So if you want to see it, maybe in your Google this, you can go to the inspect, sorry. You see what you build here, the way it is lined here, you see it in your Google inspect. So the style that we put there, everything. Anyway, with time we can be able to understand these parts, okay? But for now, let's just end here. Thank you all for watching, and God bless. I love you all. Stay safe.